Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Corporate ad shifts. Walmart pulls back. Tesla's Cybertruck strategy stirs buzz. Wall Street celebrates 5-week winning streak. Apple eyes streaming bundle with Paramount Plus. Pfizer plummets to new low amid weight loss woes. Equitrans midstream considers sale. Sparks interest. Montana's TikTok ban overturned by federal judge, and Morgan Stanley favors PDD over Alibaba in China's e-commerce race. Stay tuned after this short ad break for a deep dive into these headlines. Walmart has stopped its advertisements on Elon Musk's social media platform, known as X, which was formerly recognized as Twitter. This decision aligns Walmart with other major companies like Apple, IBM, and Lionsgate Entertainment, who have made similar moves. The reason behind this action is due to worries about their ads being displayed alongside anti-Semitic content. Walmart has stated that the motive for this decision is the potential for improved customer reach on alternative platforms.
Tesla has unveiled the Cybertruck, marking its first model release in a span of 4 years. This innovative vehicle is anticipated to captivate a specialized market segment comprising affluent truck enthusiasts. Industry experts foresee this move potentially triggering a wave of fresh models from Tesla's production line. However, these same analysts also propose that the electric vehicle manufacturer may restrict production volumes to preserve the product's exclusivity and concentrate on items yielding higher profits. Regardless of this speculation, the launch of the Cybertruck is perceived as pivotal for Tesla's expansion and enhancement of its brand allure.
United States stocks experienced a rise on the first trading day of December, bouncing back from initial losses that followed comments made by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Despite some early uncertainty, investors are maintaining hope for a rate cut in March due to positive inflation data. The Nasdaq Composite saw an increase of 0.55%, the S&P 500 rose by 0.59%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average moved forward by 0.82%. Treasury yields took a dip as traders purchased bonds. This comes after Powell noted significant reductions in inflation since June.
Reports suggest that Apple and Paramount are in preliminary discussions to combine their streaming services, namely Apple TV Plus and Paramount Plus. The goal is to make these services more cost-effective. Both platforms experience above-average customer turnover rates, exceeding 7%. Recently, Paramount announced that its service had amassed over 63 million subscribers following a merger with Showtime. However, the financial success of these services has not been revealed.
Shares of Pfizer have plummeted to a 52-week low following the suspension of late-stage development for their weight loss medication, danuglipron, due to issues regarding safety. Despite encountering obstacles with similar medications in the past, Pfizer remains committed to researching danuglipron as a treatment that would be taken once daily. Preliminary results from this study are anticipated in the first half of 2024. This recent development has had a positive impact on other biotech firms that are currently working on oral treatments for weight loss.
Equitrans Midstream, a company that operates natural gas pipelines, experienced a 10% increase in its share prices after news surfaced about a possible sale. The firm, which has an estimated value of more than $4 billion and is recognized for managing the Mountain Valley Pipeline, is said to be exploring its options. However, it should be noted that there's no certainty that a sale will take place.
A U.S. federal judge has put a halt to Montana's efforts to be the inaugural state in the United States to prohibit TikTok, a social media platform owned by ByteDance, a Chinese technology firm. The proposed legislation could have levied penalties of up to $10,000 on app stores or TikTok each instance the application was made available for download. However, it was deemed unconstitutional and an overreach of state authority by the judge. The judge also raised questions about how this bill would safeguard consumers and pointed out potential conflicts with First Amendment rights. Both parties involved, Montana and TikTok, are gearing up for additional legal battles.
Morgan Stanley has selected Pinduoduo as its prime choice in the e-commerce sector of China, while downgrading Alibaba to equal weight and keeping JD.com's rating unchanged. The firm is of the opinion that Pinduoduo will persist in expanding its market share due to its advantageous business model and consumers becoming increasingly sensitive to price. Despite a 74% surge in Pinduoduo's stock this year, analysts propose that the company's cross-border e-commerce venture, Temu, is undervalued by investors.
And that's a wrap for today's daily business and finance show. Keep investing in your knowledge, stay informed, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.